to put pictures on a fire alarm device. Let's put it right here. 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 Now the set is completed. Ha 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 ha. Now I put pictures on a fire alarm device.
Oh good, it's Friday today, and it's 10:37 a.m. The bell just rang at 10:31 a.m., and it's 6 minutes ago, and spring break starts on April 8th through April 12th, 2024. Let's see if...
Great garbanzos!
Junior, get over here right now.
Yes, security. What is it?
Junior, why is there a picture on a fire alarm device? You know it's not belong in a public school. It belongs at home. So take that picture off that fire alarm device right now.
Well, I put a picture on a fire alarm device because one of those false alarms are annoying. But I want to leave the picture on a fire alarm device. But these pictures can leave them on for the horn.
Hey! You'd better stop with this attitude right now. These pictures cannot leave them on the horn. The horn cannot hear when the fire alarm goes off. Take these pictures off the device right now.
Okay, I will. There, now I took it off.
Good. Take that picture off the device also.
All right, I will.
Take the following pictures off the device also. And take that picture off the device as well.
There, now I took all the pictures off the fire alarm device.
Good. Now you take those pictures off the fire alarm device, because they cannot hear when the fire alarm goes off. Oh, I almost forgot. A police officer is coming. But hold on. I'll snap my finger to get police officer to come. I'll snap it in magic.
Yo, Junior, how dare you put pictures on a fire alarm device? You know putting a picture on a fire alarm device is not allowed to do that at public school. You know that picture is not belong in a public school. Putting a picture on the wall is to do that at home, not at school. And you're too young to go to high school. That's it. Go home right now.
Junior, how dare you put pictures on the fire alarm device at school? You do know you're not allowed to do that at all. That's it. You are grounded for 3 days. Go to your room now.
Wow.